See friends, next puzzle. 10 persons F, B, D, S, I, A, Q, G, Z and C are lives on 10 floor building. The lowermost floor is number 1, above the floor is number 2 and so on. See friends, there is one building with 10 floors. See friends, in every problem I am telling you, definitely we will get two possibilities from the first sentence. See friends, what he has given, there is one building with 10 floors, so we will make two diagrams with 10 floors. See friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See friends, what he has given, there is one building with 10 floors and lowermost floor is 1 and so on. That means from lower most floor is 1, second one is 2, third one is 3, like that he has given a numbers. Then go for first sentence. 3 persons are living between G and F. See friends, G and F, there are 3 persons between G and F. These two chances will there. G lives an odd number floor. See friends, G is living on odd number floor, but above floor number 5. That means, see friends, G is living on odd numbered floor and above floor number 5. That means only two chances is there, either 7 or 9. So first you keep on 7, G here. If you keep G here, there are 3 floors between G and F. That means 1, 2, 3. F should come here. See friends, there are 3 floors between G and F. If you check here 1, 2, 3, no fourth floor is not there. So here it is not possible. You check here. You keep G in 9th floor. Then F should be 1, 2, 3, 4. F should be here. So this is over. There are two possibilities. Next one. Only one person lives between Q and Z. See friends, Q and Z, only one person. Maybe like this. Z lives on odd number floor. That means Z is on odd number floor. See friends, first we will check it. If you keep Z is in 9th floor, then Q should be on 7th floor. Already G is on 7th floor. So 9 is not the correct one. Then you already 7th floor occupied by G. Then you check 5th floor. 5th floor, if you keep Z on 5th floor, Q should be on 3rd floor. F is already on 3rd floor. So 5th also not possible. Then 3rd also not possible. So here one place, here first floor is there. If you keep Z on first floor, then Q should be on 3rd floor. So it is not the correct diagram because we are unable to keep the Z on odd numbered floor. So you just try here. 9th floor already occupied by G. You try 7th floor. If you keep Z on 7th floor, Q should be on G. That means on 9th floor or on 5th floor. So 9th already G occupied 9th floor, F occupied 5th floor. So 7th also not correct. Already 5th floor occupied by F. So 5th also not correct. Then you just check 3rd floor. If you keep Z on 3rd floor, Q should be on 1st floor. If you keep Z on 1st floor, Q should be on 3rd floor. Both chances are there. Either Z on 1st floor or 3rd floor. either Q on first floor or third floor. Two possibilities are there. You just keep this here. Next one person lives between C and A. See friends, one person lives between C and A. Two floors are there between D and I. See friends, two floors are there between D and I. See friends, this is over, this is over. Both conditions will come. Two floors are there between D and I. Next one. Neither F nor G was immediately above or immediately below of C. See friends, what he has given? Neither F nor G was immediately above or immediately below of C. See friends, neither F nor G immediately above or immediately below C. So C won't come here. Here also C won't come here. There may be a chance here. Here also C won't come. Here also C won't come. See friends, third and first floor already occupied by Z and Q. Then here C. So two chances are there. Either 7 or 2. See friends, if you keep C here, then definitely A should be here or should be here. But already G and F are there. So here also C not possible. So only one possibility is here. If you keep C here, then definitely A should be here. Then go to next condition. This is also over. There are two floors between D and I. See friends, up to fifth floor already, up to fifth floor occupied. Then from here you check it. If you keep D here, 1, 2, then I should be here. Already G occupied the 9th floor. So D should not come here. Either D or I, friends, either D or I, we don't know. So if you keep D here, 1, 2, I should be here. Only one chance is there. Then either I will come or D will come. Here also either I will come or D will come. So this is the chance. So this is also over. See friends, next. B lives above S. See friends, B lives above S. How many empty floors are there? Only 6th and 8th. See friends, B lives above S. That means B will come here, S will come here. Because these two only empty. Remaining all are occupied. I is not the immediate neighbor of B. See friends, what he has given? I is not the immediate neighbor of B. That means if you keep I here, then D will come here. But this statement shows that I is not the immediate neighbor of B. That means I should not come here. That means we have to keep D here. Then I should come here. Then this is also over. Then final statement is what? Z lives above Q. See friends, here two possible cases are there. But what he has given? Z lives above Q. That means Z should be here and Q should be here. See friends, nothing is there. What he has given, we just follow that one. Then automatically we will get. But first itself we have to take two possibilities. From there we have to eliminate one possibilities. Next, on another diagram, we have to get the solution. See friends, see the related questions. First problem. How many persons live above D? See friends, how many persons live above D? D is there here in 7th floor. Then how many persons are living above D? 1, 2, 3. So 3 persons are living above D. Next one. If S and Z interchange the positions, who is immediately above Z's floor? See friends, S and Z interchange their positions means Z will come here, S will come here. Then what he is asking, who is immediately above Z's floor? That means who is immediately above Z's floor? Who? D. Answer is D. C lives on which floor? See friends, C lives on which floor? 2nd floor. number of floors between A and Z is, see friends, number of floors between A and Z is, A and Z, how many floors? 0. No floors are there between A and Z.